Hi, everyone. This is Nick Siegfried. We're coming to you from the ABA Forum on Construction Law meeting in Las Vegas. Power Play Game-Changing Strategies for Power Projects. And I'm joined here by Kelsey Funes, the Division One chair, one of the more popular divisions, right, in the forum.
It's pretty popular.
Yeah. So why don't you tell us a little bit about Division One and what you guys do?
Sure. So Division One is litigation and dispute resolution. So we cover all things resolution of disputes in construction cases. So we focus on helping litigators litigate construction law cases, but also arbitration and mediation as well. So we direct a lot of our programming at helping people to sort of be the most effective advocates they can in construction cases.
And what type of programming does Division One put on?
We have a really full deck of programming. So our written material can be found in the Dispute Resolver blog. It's very popular. We post on a regular basis at least once a month. And so we have good substantive topics that can be found on the blog. The blog also features a consultant's corner where we have consultants who talk about topics and issues that they're seeing. So you can check those out to sort of meet virtually consultants that you might want to use on some of your cases, find out their expertise. We also have Meet the Neutral. And so we like to focus on and introduce some of our forum neutrals through the blog. So mediators, arbitrators, things like that. You can check them out there. We also do toolbox talks. So in 2024, we'll do 9 toolbox talks. So they're monthly. We take the summer off. Those will start in February. They're 30 minutes, quick in, quick out, no materials, but focusing on timely topics that are important for dispute resolvers. And then also we do practicums. So at least 2 times a year in connection with the national meetings, Division One will do a practicum, which is really directed at younger lawyers or people who are new to the construction practice. It's usually between 3 and 4 hours. Typically, it happens the Wednesday afternoon before the meetings start on Thursday. And so it's a great entry point for people who are new to construction and maybe new to the forum.
Right. And that's more of a hands-on experience, right?
Yes, it is. We try to keep those groups relatively small. I think about it sort of in law school, like you had your normal law school classes, and then you might have an adjunct professor do a skills course. To me, it's a skills course. And so the idea is to have a smaller group, a more intimate setting, lots of opportunity for Q&A, and we try to have every session have an opportunity for an exercise that people work on together and present to the speakers and give feedback.
And do you have a practicum set up for New Orleans?
We do. I'm super excited about that. So New Orleans, the theme of that meeting is the art of litigation. In fact, we have 2 D1 members who are the co-chairs of that meeting. And our session there, the practicum is the art of persuasion. And so what we are going to be digging into is the recent research on neuroscience and how sort of the study of neuroscience and what happens to our brains when we're in conflict, and how best to sort of recognize the limitations that get put on our bodies when we are in conflict, and how as litigators we can, or advocates, we can understand that and be persuasive in mediation, and then how to make persuasive presentations in trial or at hearings. We're going to have folks to talk about, we're going to have a jury consultant, and we're also going to have someone who specializes in presenting evidence at trial or arbitration.
Can you give us a sneak preview of some of those tips, or
you have to sign up.
Got to sign up. All right.
Yeah.
Not gonna be able to get it out of you, huh? So how does somebody get involved in Division One?
So Division One is easy to get into. You can stop by the membership table and sign up to be on our listserv. If you get on our listserv, you'll get our regular updates. We send out information, every week or two. We meet once a month on the second Thursday of the month at 3 o'clock Eastern. And so you can check us out if you get on our listserv. I always send a reminder with the agenda to let people know what we're going to talk about. We welcome everybody to our calls. Our calls are a little bit different than I think what some of the other divisions do. Ours are more business meetings where we're talking about our planning, all the content and things that we do, and planning our social activities, things for us to network and build relationships. And then our toolbox talks that I mentioned earlier, that's when we really cover substantive topics.
Okay. And what kind of networking opportunities do you guys have planned for Vegas?
So for Las Vegas, I am super excited about our networking activity. So all of the divisions are gathering together in New Orleans. Oh, wait, did you say Las Vegas?
Yeah, Vegas. Well, yeah, we'll do Vegas, and then you'll tell us about New Orleans.
Sorry about that. I'm so excited about New Orleans. But yeah, in Las Vegas, so we are joining with divisions 2 and 12, and we have craps and cocktails. So we have a sponsor for that event, Solomon Page, and we are going to meet at the Venetian to have cocktails. And then while our cocktail party is going on, we will have a craps dealer giving small group lessons on how to effectively pick craps. And so that's what we're doing tonight.
All right, great. So if it doesn't work out in the law, somebody just
right,
be a craps player.
Yes, you can.
That's the aim here.
Yeah.
Just helping out our members any way we can.
That's great. Yeah, we are hoping Lady Luck will smile upon us, and yeah, the litigators and arbitrators, I think, rely on luck sometimes. So yeah, it'll be a good exercise. But then New Orleans,
yeah,
all the divisions are gathering together, and so we hope you'll join us in New Orleans. It coincides with the French Quarter Festival. And so the divisions have gotten together and put together a hospitality tent to help people not only have a great time at the meeting, but hang out with forum friends and whoever you might bring with you to enjoy the festival really all afternoon after the forum events are done. We're going to unleash our forum friends on New Orleans in the French Quarter Festival, so they have a good time.
Yeah, that's definitely going to be a great program, great topic. Mm-hmm. And great networking opportunities.
Yes.
Thank you, Kelsey.
Yeah, you're welcome.